Hey guys, what's up? Evaldas from TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 4th of January 2019. Let's get started. So the automated crypto system. What's been happening? How are you guys doing? Right, I'm not doing very well, you know. I had personal issues going on, hence why I didn't create the video yesterday. But I feel today I'm quite fine, you know. I'm quite, you know, good. So yeah. How are you guys doing? You know, tell in the comments below. I'd like to know that. So what's been happening on the automated crypto system? As you can see here, I have 4 trades open at the moment. Some of them are in the profit, some of them are not. Wait, let me just see. Actually, all of them. Oh no. One of them's not in the profit. I'm just gonna pop into the broker to make it's very hard to see on here. I don't know why. They should really remake this site a little bit better, but I don't know what the developers are doing at the moment. So yeah, this is my account. This is the broker. As you can see, it's a live account. As you can see, I got 4 trades open. 3 of them are in the profit, you know, and one of them's £50 minus, which is unfortunate. However, it might change, it might not. I'm not sure what's gonna go on with that one. It was a risky trade anyway. I placed that one not automatically, manually, you know, hence why it's not doing very well actually. I'm getting rusty in trading, hence because I'm used to using the automated crypto system. I'm getting quite rusty, you know. I'm not analyzing properly, so I need to get back into that. However, yeah, I have 3 trades open. Profit and loss at the moment £400 on. As you can see, I have £4,115 in my balance, which is pretty good. However, I'm gonna probably withdraw the money after I close these trades. I don't know, will I close them today or not? I will see what's going on. First Friday of every month, non-farm payroll news comes out, which is very volatile, and usually on Fridays you don't even want to trade too much because the markets are kind of slow, and you're not gonna make a lot of pips. That's what I'm saying, unless your lot size is really amazing, like I don't know, 10 lot size or something. But you really need a balance to, you know, trade. So if you're trading like 1 lot or half a lot, you will probably not be making a lot of money unless there's a, you know, a lot of fundamental news coming out, and then, you know, the market moves, then you can. But since it's non-farm payroll today, as you can see, the markets did move, and I made quite a bit of money. You know, I placed those trades. 3 of them, 1 of them was not automatic, then 3 of them I just literally just clicked automatically, quickly placed the trades on this system over here. And as you can see, 3 of them are in the profit, 1 of them's not. It's pretty good. What I want to do today is talk a little bit about Ripple, because obviously if you want to trade on the weekend, you can trade cryptocurrencies, and a cryptocurrency I like to trade on 24option.com broker is Ripple. And Ripple, what's it doing now? As you can see, I marked them up because some people didn't understand my support and resistance technique and how am I trading. You know, there's a little bit more into it, but I will be basic to people that don't know anything about trading. So basically, this is resistance line, this is a support line, and what you want, the market bounces on these lines. So let's say this goes up and carries on going up. This is an important line, you know, and more than likely there's going to be seller pressure coming in and to push the market down. And then vice versa, there's going to be a lot of buyers over here, and it's going to push the market up. Hence why there was this consolidation phase over here. Obviously it broke out, but then there's something major happened, obviously, because look at that. It broke out really hard, but then it pushed back really hard, and now it's consolidating again, as you can see. What I mean by support and resistance, it doesn't have to be like a straight line. You don't have to put a straight line on like 39939 and enter on this trade. What support resistance is really an area. It's not a line, it's an area. So basically what I want to do is just show you. This is let's say a resistance. Because all these, you see wicks over here where they touched, is an area of resistance, you know. So once the market just crosses there, you need to go into a lower time frame, let's say 1 hour, and have a look at candle formations, you know, what's happening. As you can see over here, look, it crossed in a big wick, and then seller pressure came in. And then big wick, and look, it's half a wick. There's obviously selling pressure coming in over there. And as you can see over here, there was as well. So people are, you know, selling, so there's pressure, you know. Market can't just go up, you know, all the time, you know. Somebody's gonna be selling, somebody's gonna be buying, hence why it's always a fight between the bulls and the bears. What you want to do is obviously pick a trade once it is in the area of resistance or support. Once you identify that there's some kind of candle formations, you know, and something, go into like 15 minutes and have a look again, you know, and have a look at what's happening, you know. What you need to do is basically analyze the chart from the biggest time frame you're thinking of trading to the lowest, you know. So let's say a day, then 4 hours, then 1 hour, then 15 minutes, because you want to do it quarterly. That will be better. So a day, 4 hours, 1 hour, and then 15 minutes or something, and then you enter the trade, and then you decide where you want to, you know, leave the trade, where you want to, you know, have your stop loss. Let's say, for example, this is happening, right? So XRP, so Ripple's pushing. What's it gonna do? So as you can see over here, it's an area of support. Oh god, what was that? Oh, my trade went in. I got one trade in the money already, so that's great. So as you can see over here, it's an area of support, and you are expecting that there's going to be some kind of pressure, buying pressure, you know, that is going to be bouncing back. So that's what you look into, you know. You go into smaller time frames and you look into candle formations. At the moment is peaking a little bit, but I think it's going to be going down till somewhere in the middle over here, and then it might bounce back. But don't quote me on this, because obviously, depending on the time frame, let's say on the hourly time frame, it might come out, but on the 4 hourly time frame, it's just gonna be a wick and then it's gonna go back, you know. So you have to look into all time frames, you know. Mainly look into a daily, 4 hourly. Daily is just for pure trend or something, you know, you want to identify, let's say if it's going up or down. Then general, you know, move what is going on. And then 4 hourly is, you know, wow, what's actually happening. And then 1 hourly is basically where you want to enter, and then 15 minutes is just your little backup, where sometimes you just need to look at it a little bit more, what's going on. As you can see, like if it breaks out like this over here, you know, in the hourly, you're like, oh, it's a strong break, you know. Then as you can see, this candle reached this green line over here, but then it carried on to go down. That's where you want to enter, you know. Once it breaks and then you wait, and then it reaches again, as you can see this wick over here. Once it reaches again there, that little pullback, that's how I enter my trades. You wait for a little, you wait for this little breakout like this on, like, this is an hourly chart, and then you wait for this other wick. You see, like, you have to wait for 2 hours, as you can see. So, you know, you're relaxing, you're eating, I don't know, you're watching a movie, and you just wait for these wicks. And once they're on there, the price is there, you know, they're pushing. You want to enter the trade to sell, or, you know, vice versa. And you sell and put the take profit to the previous resistance or support. As you can see over here, this line over here that I added, I'm sorry, it's not straight. Yeah, it's some buying or selling pressure. So that's where you want to, you know, put your take profit. So, you know, it hit, as you can see, that's what it did. That's what it did. As you can see, this wick over here, you put it there, you start selling. And then look, this wick over here reached its take profit. You take your profit, that's it. And you put your SL to somewhere above over here, you know, just a little bit, maybe, I don't know, 20, 15 pips above the support or resistance line, and then you're gonna be in the money, more than likely. You don't even have to be more than 50% successful in Forex to make money. Hence why money managing and just understanding means a lot to make money. So I hope you understand what I mean. Sorry, I'm not, you know, native language speaker. It's kind of hard for me to explain and express myself, you know. But I hope it helps. If it does, comment down below. If it doesn't, I'll try to, you know, maybe write a script and kind of read it, what my thoughts are in the head. Maybe it'll be easier. Because it's kind of hard to, you know, do it live and not prepare myself for what am I going to explain everything to you guys. Anyway. I want to show you this. Obviously, I said that there was a sound, and basically this was the 24option.com sound once you hit your take profit. And as you can see, I hit £298 and 95 pence, which is nice, £300. So I got at the moment 4.4 grand, which is nice. I'm gonna withdraw that money. Probably gonna request a withdrawal today. Also have I also have the other 3 trades open, which is, one of them is minus £240, other one is £240 in the plus, and then the last one, Euro USD, £80 in the profit as well. So I'm gonna keep those trades running. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm just gonna keep them till, I don't know, 6 or 7 p.m. and then see what happens. If nothing goes on, I'm not gonna keep them, over the weekend. Because if you keep a trade over the day, it's gonna have a swap cost. Basically, as long as you keep the trade, it's gonna have the swap cost, and the swap cost is basically the broker charging you for keeping these trades longer than 24 hours, and it's gonna keep on charging and charging, and I hate doing that. And plus, on the weekends, you don't know what's gonna happen on Monday morning, because if some fundamental news happens over the weekend and the forex market is closed, once the market opens and something drastic happens, it's gonna shoot up or down, and hence why you don't want to ever risk it. So Friday you don't really want to trade unless it's the NFP news, which was today. So you take a trade, you trade the NFP, and then you kind of leave the trades running until like 8 p.m. or something, and then you close out. Obviously, if you're a swing trader or a long-term trader, you definitely keep those trades running, because it doesn't matter for you. You're making pips anyway, because you're trading the long-term trend and your goals are different. But if you're a swing trader, like myself, you kind of want to close the trades more than likely, unless nothing's gonna go wrong. And also on the weekends, trade, as I said, Ripple USD, so if you want to join, link down in the description below. 250 minimum deposit is required to join this automated crypto system software. Obviously, trade, if you want to trade Ripple yourself, you can trade, on other brokers if you want, if you want to not want to support me, because Ripple is really good, and that's what I would do. Obviously, you can trade Ripple of the signals as well. What it's saying is pretty much the same thing, but I'm gonna create a video tomorrow of maybe how I trade Ripple automatically, or how, I don't know. If you follow my Instagram, I might, send a story out and gonna explain everything. It's gonna be quicker and easier for me, since I'm kind of busy this weekend and I'm not gonna probably have time to create as much videos as I want. Guys, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus. And also, the giveaway is ending on 25th of January. So if you want to join, I will link the video in my outro. So at the end of the video, I will link it there. You click on it and all the requirements will be down below in the comments and also in the video. So if you want to join and be able to win $500, there's your chance. You can do it. I will not trade this video since it's Friday, and I don't feel like it. Friday is usually a slow market, as I said, so I just wanted to update you guys and talk a little bit about some nonsense and what's going on with my life at the moment. Some crazy shit is happening, to be fair. So honestly, I'll try to get back, on track. And had relationship problems, I split up, and then there was a lot of stuff going on, alright, so I felt, I didn't feel very good and didn't want to create videos. So I hope this video is not like too random and too not, I didn't really think it through. So whatever you get is what you get. And obviously, if you have any questions, Facebook me, email me, toptrainreviews@gmail.com. And see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.